It's time for the FabFitFun winter box. This is my favorite subscription box service. I've been getting it for I think 2 years now and I love it every time. I know usually Brooke is here filming with me. That's my 13-year-old if you're not familiar with her. She's sick today. She is in the other room resting and sleeping and I hate that because it's the holidays and I know she wants to be here filming this with me, but I know you guys want to see it too, so I'm here filming it by myself. Well, Luke's here with me for moral support. So I love this box because you get so much for your money. It's $49.99 for a quarterly box and it's over a $200 value with each box. And I will tell you that things that I've loved from every box have been well over the value that I've paid for the box. I've gotten my money's worth from each box. And I love it because it's not just beauty, it's home and lifestyle and travel, all kinds of different things in here. So it's just kind of like Christmas 4 times a year, which I think is really great. And today I'm partnering with FabFitFun to share what's in this box. And I do have a link for you down below if you want to get your FabFitFun box, and you can save at $10 with the code STEPH. So let's get into this box. I also like the inside is printed too. I just think they put a lot into the detail of each box. Also in each box they include a magazine that tells you what's in it along with some other things too. This one has Brooke Burke on the cover and a little bit about her, but I'm going to kind of go through as I go through the items and tell you what each item is worth. That way you can see exactly the value that you get in this box. And there's a lot in this box this quarter. I feel like I say that every quarter, but I'm just going to reach in and grab at random. So the first thing that I see is this Moroccan Gold Series Treatment Mask for dry or damaged hair. This is worth $49 and you're supposed to leave this in your hair for 5 to 7 minutes and then rinse. It's supposed to seal split ends, strengthen hair, and make your tresses more manageable. And it has argan oil and keratin components in it, which is really good because sometimes these masks don't have that keratin aspect, and I think that that can really help your hair. And this lid just keeps coming off and coming off. Okay, it's kind of a thick mask, you can see. It smells really good. It's got a nice light scent. I wish this was a body lotion. It smells so nice. So this says it's for dry and damaged hair, and it is sulfate free. Yes, I will be using that. I always love getting deep conditioning treatments for my hair. Okay, the next item that I pulled out is the Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. And I mean, this box, you know, it's Oribe. They're just a luxurious brand in general. This is worth $44. This is a sulfate-free dry shampoo that absorbs product buildup, oil, and impurities while it soothes the scalp and restores strength and softness. You know, I already have dry shampoo in my hair, but the smell is so good. I'm trying to just use it very sparingly because I already have some dry shampoo in my hair. That's good, and that smells good, and it doesn't leave a white cast at all. Okay, I don't have a brush in here, so don't judge what's going on, but it actually worked pretty well just zhuzhing my fingers through the hair. Sometimes I have to use a brush to get the white buildup out or just to mix it in fully, and it didn't leave any white cast and smells heavenly. I mean, I like it right now, but will it hold up all day? I'm sure it will. It's Oribe. They're a great brand. So I have 2 hair products, and that's because I actually chose to receive those. They open up the box at a certain time during the month, and you can pick between, you know, 2 or 3 items for certain things. So, you know, you could choose between this, a jewelry portfolio, or a necklace, and I guess I chose this. I don't remember because it's usually so far ahead of time when I get the box. And then there were a couple other ones. So that hair mask, I could have gotten that, or fingerless gloves and a headband, and I chose the hair mask. This is something that went to everyone. This is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. This has spring water, shea butter, vitamin E. This softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. You can use it as a 3-minute hydration boost or as an overnight sleeping mask, and it's worth $33. And it's not open, so I have to open it. I don't smell anything at all, and it doesn't twist off, so I may have just broken it. Oopsie. I don't really smell much of a scent unless I'm stopped up, but it says it's good for sensitive skin. It's approved for sensitive skin and allergy tested. So that seems really nice. I love the packaging. If you guys know me, you know I love turquoise, so packaging approved. This is the Marc and Graham Color Block Throw. You could get this in gray ivory or natural ivory. I chose the gray ivory. And this is a woven throw which has a stripe design and fringe detailing. I mean, because I so need another throw in my house. This is worth $49. It's got kind of a soft stripe pattern going on. I really like it. It's nice and soft. I don't remember seeing this when I picked it all because I feel like I would have been a whole lot more excited about this box. This is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue, which, if you know, is one of my favorite shades of lipstick, not just Bite Beauty, but lipstick in general ever. This is going to go in my backup stash because I have one open already. So you can see here, it's just that perfect pinky nude shade. I wear this often on my channel. It is really just a lovely creamy shade of lipstick, and this is worth $26. So I could have picked between that and some coasters or some Brooke Burke body sliders, and I apparently chose the lipstick that is one of my holy grail lipsticks. Then we have the Merci for Anthropology Beauty Coconut Sugar Sea Whip Body Cream. Look at that packaging. Nice. This is in the scent Coconut Sugar, and it's enriched with sea whip extract, sea silt, and dead sea salt to protect, nourish, and hydrate the skin. Let's smell this. This is worth $24, and it smells really nice and light. It doesn't smell overly overly sugary or overly sweet or anything. I'm just gonna put it on my hands. I'm sure that's nice and loud in the microphone, isn't it? Sorry. Yeah, I like this scent. Sometimes I don't really like overly foody scents, and this is nice. I like the way it's making my hands feel. It's not greasy at all. I could have picked that or an essential oil set, and I chose that. In everyone's box is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. And this is a champagne eye brightener that highlights and brightens your eyes. I actually have this already, so I'm working on some giveaways. So this one will actually go in a giveaway, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the tube so you can just see. It's just a really great inner corner or brow bone highlight if you like a shimmery brow bone highlight. I usually don't. But it's just kind of great to have. And there's a sharpener on the end, which is really nice. I did a video on Thrive Cosmetics a while back. I can link that for you guys. I'm really impressed with the brand overall. The next one that is in every box are the black hydrogel eye masks with hyaluronic acid. It says, is your under eye area puffy and swollen? Detox and depuff with the activated charcoal eye mask for a fresh look. It says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then you peel it off the skin. Let's just see what these look like. You know, I really need to use eye masks more because I have so many in my bathroom and they just keep sitting there, and I always talk about how I have such troubles with my under eye area. Oh my gosh, okay. These would be great for the holiday time. So you can actually see the liquid floating around back there. That's what they look like. Let me give you the prices on the last few items. I can't remember if I gave them to you. The Marc and Graham Throw was worth $49. The Anthropology Body Cream was worth $24. The Thrive Eye Brightener was $24, and the eye masks are worth $29. And the last item in here is this Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette worth $36. And to be honest, I don't know why I chose this because I don't need another eyeshadow palette to save my life, but it's pretty. I kind of don't want to swatch it though because, yeah, I'm thinking I might give this to somebody. Maybe that's why I included it, was to give it to somebody. The other option was a jade roller or some over-the-knee textured socks. So that's probably why, because I don't really wear over-the-knee socks, and someone else could really like this palette. And this has 4 matte shades and 5 shimmer shades. So I'm sorry, I'm not going to swatch it, but I hate to just stick my fingers in it and waste it when someone can get a brand new palette that looks really nice and it's untouched. It looks like the total value of my box was $314, and the items that I really like that I'm keeping, which is pretty much every single thing except for these 2 items, which I still think are really great items, but they're just gonna go to someone else. The value of my items is $254, which is way more than what I paid for this box. I'm excited about everything else. I think it all looks really great. I can't wait to use that blanket, the dry shampoo, which I mean, I think it really did something to my hair. My hair looks better than it did at the beginning of this video, and I hardly put any of that dry shampoo in my hair. And my hands feel good from that lotion, so I can't wait to use it all over my body. Anyway, I really enjoyed unboxing this with you as usual. If you got this box, let me know your favorite item from it. If you didn't, let me know if you're planning on subscribing. I have a friend who is actually giving that to herself for Christmas, which I think is really cool. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.